Hi, this is Juan from CureUV, and I'm going to show you our 36 watt UVC tabletop sterilizer. It's a cool unit. It comes with a remote. I don't know if you can zoom in on it, which is pretty basic. Just has the 3 cycles, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. And it comes with UVC visualizer cards, which I'll get into in a minute. So the system works as easily as you can imagine. It has an old-timey lamp button. If you go towards the 1 point, there's a little line. That means power is going to it. If you want to turn it off entirely, that's no matter what you do, you can't turn it on, right? If you click it on now, it will turn on. So just be aware of it, and then you can turn on and off with the remote. This just means power goes to it. But every time power goes to it, it will turn on. So be mindful of that. Turns on, I turned it off, right? Now that I know that it's getting power, I can use it up to 45 feet away. I can turn it on, and then if I want 15 minutes, I hit 15. It blinks for a second to let me know that it's accepted the cycle, or I can change it to 30 or to 60, right? Pretty simple. I don't think you need further instruction on how to use this, but these UVC visualizer cards, which are included, are pretty neat, and I want to kind of show you. A lot of people say, how big of a room can it do, and how long do I keep it? So UV light falls off exponentially, well, UVC light, right? So you want to use it in what we recommend for this unit is 10 by 10 foot quadrants. If you have a 500 by 500 foot room, doesn't mean you can't use it. It might not be the ideal product for that. But if you break everything into 10 by 10 foot quadrants, you actually can use it. So the way we recommend you do that the first couple of times is use these cards. So if you can zoom in on these cards, chromatically speaking, those 2 yellows should be the same or as close to it as possible, right? We want you to put one of these in really far away in the room within your 10 by 10 foot quadrant. And in a surface you really want to have sterilized. For example, if I'm putting this here, this is the size of my table, and I want to make sure that this part is being cleaned. So you run a full cycle, and when you finish the cycle, it should be green. If it's not green, then the cycle didn't run for long enough, and you have to increase dosage. When this turns green, it should be about 30 millijoules per centimeter squared. So it's not an awful lot, but it's enough to do some serious sterilization. So why don't we do that? Run a cycle. Maybe eventually we'll cut and show you what we mean. Okay. So I'm turning it on for 60 minutes. All right. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's see how it looks. As you can see here, it's turned green. So it's taken at least 30 millijoules per centimeter squared. Now, I was going to run it for 60 minutes anyways, but at least I know that this isn't too far. So again, we recommend, so you can see the difference. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like after. It's a slight difference, but you can definitely tell. And we recommend you put these at the farthest point between, in your cleaning area, so that you know that you're getting enough dosage all the way in. If you run it for a full 60 minutes and it still looks yellow, then shorten your cleaning area. Okay? Any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out.